Hello everybody. This video is presented by Madhu's English for you. Well, in this video, we will learn about articles. It's question number 28 and paper 1. Fill in the blanks with the suitable articles and mark the omission of the article with cross mark. And now if you look at the picture, you can find an apple a day keeps the doctor away. You can find all the a, an and the article, and we also learn where we should not use the article. Right. First, let's learn about the indefinite articles. We use a before words which begin with a consonant sound, and if it is a singular countable noun like B, C or D. For example, we use a boy, a big car, or a doctor or a girl. And now we also use a before U with it sounds like the word university and European and one. For example, a university, and the next one is we use a European, not an European, because it begins with Y. And the next one is a 1 rupee note, not an 1 rupee note or an one-eyed man, because it pronounces like V. So we have to focus that the pronunciation rather than the vowels. And now we'll work with the indefinite article an. We use an before words which begin with vowel sounds, and that also if it is a singular countable noun, we should use an. For example, an apple, an egg, an interesting film, an orange, and an Indian. And there are some exceptions, like we use an before words that begin with silent H, like an hour or an honest man. And we also use an before words that begin with a vowel sound like M, like an MBA student or an MLA or an LLB student. Right. And now let's look at the usage of these articles. To refer to something for the first time, we use a or an. Like I saw a boy and a girl in the market. Would you like a drink? I have finally got a good job. Yesterday, I met a boy near my house. Now, we use a or an with the names of jobs, like Sudha is a doctor and Mahi wants to be an engineer. He wants to be a dancer. And with nationalities and religions also we use a or an, like John is an Englishman, Raju is a Hindu. We also use a or an sometimes to make a proper noun as a common noun. For example, he thinks he is a Shakespeare, or you can say she is a Samantha of this town. So they are not real, but they feel so. Right. We use the to refer to something which has already been mentioned. That's what we are talking about, the definite article. Most probably it will be one and it's unique. And now let's look at this first sentence. An apple and a mouse fell in love. For the first time we use an and a. But now let's look at this sentence. The mouse loved the elephant's long trunk and the elephant loved the mouse tiny nose. So as it's mentioned and we are referring for the second time, we are using the mouse and the elephant. Now let's look at when both the speaker and listener know what is being talking about, even if it has not been mentioned before also. Like you can say, where is the bathroom? It's on the first floor. Now, in sentence or clauses, when we define a particular person or object, like the man who wrote this book is my friend, or which car did you use? The red one. So we use the to refer to objects we regard as unique. This is very important, like the sun, the moon, the earth, the equator, the north and the south pole. And we use especially before superlative degrees and ordinal numbers, like only or last. The highest building, the first page and the last chapter. So we also use the before superlatives and ordinal numbers as I was talking. I have bought the best gift for you. This is the tallest building in our twin towns. I read the first page but didn't read the last chapter. We use the with adjectives to refer to a whole group of people. For example, the Japanese, the English, the old, the poor, and the rich. We use the with morning, afternoon, and evening. But remember, I'll be at home in the evening. Meet me in the morning. But we should not use like at night or like the night. So we should not use the. Instead of that, we use at night, at noon, at midnight, at 4 o'clock, by day, and by night. We use the with the names of rivers, seas, groups of islands, states, mountain ranges, deserts, oceans, canals, and holy books and directions. For example, the Nile, the Black Sea, the Atlantic, the USA, the Alps, the Sahara Desert, the North, the South, the East, and the West. So we use the with the names of theaters, hotels, museums, newspapers, magazines, and ships, like the Dolphin, the Salazar Museum, the Hindu, the Titanic. So we also use with the musical instruments, dances, and with the titles. This is very important. The piano, the flute, the kuchipudi, the salsa, the queen, the prince. So we use the with adjectives to refer to a whole group of people, like the cow gives milk, she gave a lot of money to the poor. And we should use with the clauses introduced by only. For example, you are the only person he will listen to. The only tea I like is black tea. And we use the with the names of famous buildings, works of art, like museum or monument. Have you been to the Taj Mahal? I would like to visit the Eiffel Tower. So up to now we have learned where to use a, an, and the, and from now we will learn where we should not use any article. This is called like zero article or omission of articles. We should not use any article with the names of countries if it is singular. For example, he has just returned from America. But remember, I am visiting the United States next week and the United Kingdom. And now there is no article with the names of languages and professions. Like Hindi is spoken in northern states. Engineering is a useful career, and he will probably go into medicine. So there is no article with the names of meals and with uncountable nouns. So lunch is at midday. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Rice is the main food in Asia. Milk is often added to tea. We can use, I don't usually like rice, but the rice I ate yesterday was really tasty, because you are already mentioning about the rice which you ate yesterday. So now let's do this exercise. He is dash European boy. I saw dash boy running in dash street. He can play upon dash flute very well. All dash boys were present. He is dash MBA student. Dash moon is shining in dash sky. Now, I hope you have learned several rules, but I can truly say that try to believe your tongue. Try to read the sentence, insert the article which you are thinking, and then read it. And if you are comfortable with your ease and your pronunciation and all, then you can go with this. First of all, what I say is trust your tongue rather than the rule. He is dash European. I said why, so it's not E or vowel sound, so it is he is a European. And the first time we are saying I saw a boy running in the street. So before musical instruments we should use the, so he can play upon the flute very well. And we are talking about all the boys were present. He is a MBA or an MBA? He is an MBA, because though it is a consonant, but the way it pronounces M. So unique is the moon is shining in the sky. Well, let's look at one more exercise. I have read dash Arabian Nights. Dash higher you go, dash cooler it is. We saw dash snake in grass. He came here dash an hour ago. Dash the topic we are discussing is very interesting. Dash horse runs fast. So now the first one is the name of the book. So we use I have read the Arabian Nights. The higher you go, the cooler it is. We saw first time a snake in the grass. He came here, the silent H, it is an hour ago. We are already talking about the topic familiar. So the topic we are discussing is very interesting. And here we are talking about the whole group. So we use the horse runs fast. Now let's look at one more interesting activity. Raju and Priya went to dash party last night. Can you tell me how to get cinema from here? Mr. Lee is one of dash strongest persons I know. Dash apple dash day keeps dash doctor away. I can't believe I failed dash yesterday's test. So now Raju and Priya went to the party last night. Can you tell me how to get to the cinema? Mr. Lee is one of a superlative, it is the strongest. As we know the proverb very well, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. I can't believe I failed the yesterday's test, right? So do you have dash dictionary that I can borrow? This is dash easy question. In fact, this is dash easiest exercise I have ever seen. I saw dash one-eyed man at dash school gate. I went to dash sea during my summer holidays. This is Saujanya, she is dash engineer. I hope you can do it. The first one is do you have the, and the next one is an easy question, and in fact this is the easiest exercise. I saw a one-eyed man at the gate. I went to the sea, and this is Saujanya. I know that she is an engineer. Right? So we'll do the questions which we usually get in the exam. Now let us see. In dash few years, he became dash richest merchant. Try to do it. She went to nearest hotel and relaxed in dash lounge. Dash bigger your job, dash greater your responsibilities. There is dash orange in dash basket. Dash Mahabharat is dash epic. So the first one in a few years, perfect. And the second one richest, so it is the. She went to again the nearest hotel in the lounge. And when we are comparing two things, the bigger your job, the greater your responsibilities. There is an orange in the basket, and as it is a popular book and holy book, we say the Mahabharat is an epic, right? Now this is the last exercise. Dash earth is dash planet, dash John is American. Is there dash water on moon? Kalam is dash university student who is dash excellent in physics. PV Sindhu won dash gold medal in Olympics. Right, the first one, it is a unique one, we say the earth and is a planet. And as it is a proper noun, we don't use, so we have to put the cross mark. John is an American. Is there no article because water is uncountable noun on the moon. And Kalam is dash university student because you know the pronunciation, it begins with ya. So Kalam is a university student who is, and it is again, we should not use any article. PV Sindhu won a gold medal in the Olympics. Hope you learned, and please try to remember the rules and try to do these exercises again and again, and hope it will be very useful. And thank you for watching this, and please subscribe and share this video with your friends a lot. That's all for today.